Aside from their size and battery, the Pixel 4 and 4 XL are basically the same. The Pixel 4 has a 5.7-inch OLED display, while the XL has a 6.3-inch screen. It's also nice that the Pixel 4 XL doesn't have a notch anymore. Though the top bezel makes the phone look a bit dated compared to the super thin frames of the iPhone 11 or Galaxy S10, it's also nice to watch videos or play games on an uninterrupted screen. Heads up that the Pixel 4 does not come with any type of earbuds. Considering the phone's high price and the fact that the Pixel 3 came with one, this is a major drag. Lastly, yes, there is a big camera bump, and yes, it is kind of ugly. So if you like your phones flat and flush, the Pixel 4 isn't one of them. That being said, the camera itself is the most compelling thing about the phone, and inside the square bump is a second telephoto lens. This camera improves portrait. A new feature on the Pixel 4 is Motion Sense for motion tracking and touchless controls. Using a combination of radar and infrared, the Pixel 4 lets your face unlock your phone and authorize digital payments, which is new. With motion tracking, you can silence alarms by waving your hands or skip to the next nasty classical jam. Face Unlock works super fast, and while the gesture stuff is a bit gimmicky, the feature itself works surprisingly smooth. If you don't accidentally smack the crap out of your phone. The Pixel 4 runs Android 10, which comes with dark mode, new gestures for navigation, and a new look for Google Assistant.
No, don't do that.
No, it's a demo. It's a demo. The phone has a safety app, and in some countries, this app detects car crashes and automatically calls 911 if you're injured. One other app I find especially useful as a reporter is the recording app, which live transcribes as you record audio. It's not 100% perfect, but it's pretty accurate, and it works offline. One last thing is the phone's 90 Hz display. While most phones refresh 60 times a second, this phone refreshes at a rate of 90 frames a second. By refreshing more often, aside from their size and battery, the Pixel 4 and 4 XL are basically the same. The Pixel 4 has a 5.7-inch OLED display, while the XL has a 6.3-inch screen. The Pixel 4 is lightweight and